Karibu Governor, Sergeant at Arms.
Ngabana Anne Waiguru agwikinyitie mbere ya kamiti ya bunge ya Senate igie mathabu ma muingi gucokia ciuria ciigie riboti ya murori wa mathabu ya mwaka wa 2017-2018.
Shall be the truth, the whole truth and nothing but the truth.
Kumana na riboti ino, muigana wa ciringi birioni 2.2 nuthu ya mbeca cia kaunti ya Kirinyaga nduikaine wahuthirirwo atia kaunti-ini iyo, undu uria Senate irenda Ngabana Waiguru ataririe.
2,446,094,800 was paid in the system of IFMIS, which records who has been paid and which money has gone out. It says 2,213,777 is the amount that is captured, leading to a variance. What you call the variance? A variance of 232,372,497. That's my question.
Handu-ini hake Waiguru augite maofitha aria materefaga mutambo uyu wa IFMIS nio mahititie wira-ini wao kuona kwina maumirira ma maheni riboti-ini iyo.
The system is as good as the people who use it. Somebody designed that report and put it there. For what purpose? We don't know. What those figures actually reflect, nobody actually can tell you what they are. So you can partly blame the team for having printed and not gone through the report to ascertain, because they've been doing it for the last 6 years and there's never been any other issue other than what you have actually spent. So I assume they just printed and signed and attached.
Ameba a kamiti iyo matongoretio ni muikarĩri wao Moses Kajwang maugite matiganire na riboti ya Waiguru kuona kwina mbeca itoikaine ciahuthirirwo atia.
If a report that is meant to produce numbers for county governments are producing numbers for national government, then there's a problem. Then it means that IFMIS is not fit for purpose, because beyond capturing transactions, the system must be able to report.
Ona thengia ya Ngabana Waiguru kugeria gutetera na kuga mutambo wa IFMIS nuraruta wira uria kwagirire kaunti-ini iyo, ameba a kamiti iyo mahitukirie ati mutambo ucio nduraruta wira kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Kate Muthoni.